said, today we got Ray Lex here, approved on this 2022 Dodge Charger GT with only $2,000 down. What's going on, folks? It's your boy Steve-O. Got me rolling today. I got Shot here. Yes. Big Ultimate Energy. Ski. Got her approved in-house finance. No questions asked. Tell us about your experience.
It was great. 10 out of 10. Y'all come, because Steve-O got me rolling.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we got a lot of different videos. I got some repo videos and we got some car deal videos. So I ain't gonna do too much talking. Let's get right to it. Let's go.
And this is gonna be your total purchase price.
The total amount. So after before deducting 9,500 or no?
This is after deducting 9,500, and then if you did your $6,000 down, 37,757 would be total amount financed. That would be your monthly payment for 60 months.
The total amount is this one?
My total sales price? My total sales price is $46,403. This is your taxes. This is your registration. This was the clear guard and low jack I was discussing outside.
Whoa, got him. Y'all see how he snuck that low jack and the clear guard crap in there on him? Hey, man, if you ain't paying attention, they would definitely slide that in on them. You can't be mad at them, though. I mean, they're trained to do this stuff, so you got to pay attention to this stuff. I'm not saying it as if you guys don't know this, but a lot of people that follow me don't know this stuff. So you got to pay attention, man.
The rebate for your clean cars, $9,500, brings it down to $43,757 with 33 cents. If you planned on putting down a $6,000 down payment, this would be the total loan amount of $37,757. For a 60-month term, you're looking at a $756 payment.
Whoa.
That's just a rough estimate APR. I haven't ran your credit, so I can't necessarily see exactly what it might be.
The rate is 3.39?
7.39.
739.
But that's just, again, I haven't ran your credit, so I can't necessarily see what the banks will approve you for.
Did you run it?
I could run it if you want me to. It can go lower by a point, it can go lower by 2 points, just depending on what your credit is.
Like $6,000 down payment is the monthly payment is coming this amount?
Yes, for 60 months, which is 5 years.
That's a lot.
See, it's a lot of different things we could talk about this deal right here, guys. First of all, he went in there without his financing already. That's the first mistake. Second thing is, he didn't even question the clear guard and whatever else they said, the low jack. And also his credit. He don't know what his credit score is. Now he's quoting him a 7% interest rate. That's probably based on good credit, because that's what people are getting right now. A lot of people are getting like 7% even with great credit. So he probably could end up with a 15% interest rate, or he can end up with a 7% interest rate. His payment is still going to be $700 something, and that's without even adding insurance.
Co-signed on Escalade, that's $50,000. It's behind 3 months. Man, you said the vehicle that you co-signed for is currently behind. Is that correct? Correct. Okay. Worst case scenario, I'm not able to get you into that expedition. Would you be open to other 3-row SUVs or SUVs in general?
No.
Okay. What kind of monthly budget were you looking to be at?
I'm not trying to pay $1,000.
That's why I'm just trying to get a little bit of clarification from you. Like, what do you feel comfortable with paying a month, so I can do my best to kind of keep you there?
Yeah, anything under $1,000.
Anything under $1,000?
We're going to see, because you guys get the vehicle delivered to me.
Okay, so I'm gonna send you a credit app for you to complete, just so I can take a look at everything, see what I'm working with, so I know what kind of lender we can go through, and we can go from there and see what we can possibly do for you.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. You're welcome.
See, when you have bad credit, it seems like people just automatically feel like they got to go through the dealership. You're obviously banking with somebody. Most people have bank accounts, and you've probably been with that bank for a while. Try to go through them first. She co-signed for somebody. That's another mistake that was made. It's just, you just consistently see these things in every video. People make the same mistakes over and over again.
For all you guys who have a lot of negative equity in your car, I guarantee if you watch this video, you'll feel a lot better. My first customer's Venue with 53,000 miles on is worth $11,000. It's a 2021. This is what her payoff is right now, $22,000 and change.
Wow.
So we're $11,000 flipped, no money down with bad credit. Now on to the next one. Customer came in with a 2010 Hyundai Tucson with a $140 on it. Car's worth $740. She owes $9,700 to credit acceptance. Once again, no money down, 530 score. And you already know we have to save the best for last. Service customer asking what her options are. She has a 2018 Toyota Corolla, a $191 on it. Car's worth $2,550. This is her most recent payoff right here, so $20,250.
Come on,
so
bro.
Yes, she's about $18,000 upside down on her car loan, and her car has a $190 on it.
That is unbelievable. I guarantee she bought that car during the pandemic. I guarantee it's a lot of people that have 18, 20, even 30,000 in negative equity. And they're trying to get out of the cars because they have so many miles on it. But she better off just keeping that car. I mean, or just let him take it back. I don't know what else to do with that.
Got Ray and his wife. Today he originally came in for a recall, and then he realized he had a 13% interest rate, and he was able to lower his APR and get him a way better deal on the 2026 Nissan Rogue. And not only is he taking a brand new one, he upgraded from a base model to an SV. So now he's taking remote start, heated seats, and a heated steering wheel. Ray and wife, how's your experience with me today?
The experience is real great. We went from new to old.
Would you recommend?
What?
You heard it from them. Would you recommend me to your friends or family?
Yes.
All right, guys, you heard it here from Ray and his wife. Come see Joaquin at Kelly Nissan.
Like I said in my other video, man, it's always the Nissans, the Hondas, and the Kias, bro. Talking about he realized he had a 13% interest rate. Come on, man. So now he's going to be super in the negative because he has a brand new Nissan. So as soon as he drive off the lot, he just doubled his negative equity.
So I got this customer who came in. He's been trying to get done other places for Range Rovers, has had no luck, but he believes that you can get it done for him. He's on the Velar.
I'm a miracle worker, is what people say. So let me take a look at the credit and see what we got. We got a 548 score, but the killer here is there was a repo that last year. There was a repo, but it's since been paid off to collections. It's going to be tough, man. Especially on a Range Rover. Can we get him into another unit, you think?
So I asked, but no, that's his dream car. Yeah. He wants a Range Rover, the Velar.
So that's why he hasn't bought anything yet. I mean, let me submit it. $5,000 down is a good amount, so let me submit it. Let me see what we got. All right, Ronnie. Surprisingly, I got an approval for him. I need 6 Gs down. If we can get those 6 Gs, bring him on in.
People always want these super expensive vehicles, knowing they got bad credit. And it's like, dude, get your credit together before you start buying expensive cars. Because the bank's going to look at that and they're going to give you a super high interest rate. So, guys, I created a checklist of questions you can ask the dealer, things to look for when you're going to buy a car. The link is in the description. And I'm just tired of seeing people get ripped off. People keep coming up with all this negative equity. So the link is in the description, guys. Go ahead and download my checklist guide. It's going to save you a lot of money. So download it. I've been getting a lot of good feedback from it. Link is in the description.
What do we have going on? So, brother, I got this deal right here. This is a difficult deal. So the lady has a repo back in 2025, and she has an open auto right now. It's a BMW X5, right? But what I was able to do with anywhere between $1,000 and $2,000 down, I was able to get her approved on a second auto, which is a miracle, right? To have a current auto, to have a repo from about a year ago, and to get approved on another vehicle all at the same time is very difficult to do. And that is with warranty and gap that I got her approved on. Real cheap payments. Payments come out to $502 on a 2024 Hyundai Tucson.
They don't mind getting you done, even though your credit bad, you got a repo, because they know they're going to get paid off the interest. Bank is going to give them a high interest rate. So the dealer's going to make money off the money. So that's why they want to work hard to try to get you approved with bad credit. But when you make deals like this, guys, that's how you end up on the repo list. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. I never understood why people did that. Like, why would you damage your vehicle? So now you can't drive it, and they're still gonna repo it. They'll repo it even though it's damaged. They're gonna still sell it. So before it was damaged, it probably was worth $5,000. Now it's probably worth $500, and they're gonna come after you for the difference. Crazy, man. Uh-oh. Again, somebody done drove their car to the Walmart knowing it's on the repo list. But why are they breaking in the truck? Like, see, it's a lot of things about repos I don't understand. Like, what are they doing? Just repo the truck. I mean, maybe got to get in it. Maybe he's trying to get in it to put it in neutral or something. Like, what are they doing? Leave it in the comments, guys. What do you think they doing?
Oh, damn.
And they don't care, bro. They just going at it.
Pick it up and roll with it, can they? Oh shit,
Right.
she comes out. I assume it's a she.
This thing with the wrong person come out and see somebody doing that in their truck, that can get crazy. You know what I'm saying? You don't know what type of people you dealing with, man. You repo these people's cars. Like I said, I could never be a repo man, bro. That's a dangerous job, if you ask me.
Oh yeah.
They having trouble getting in that truck. I figured they would just throw it away. Like, why all this extra stuff?
I asked them so bad. How many months was it?
Really, now that's being super nosy.
What are you doing?
How many months lay behind?
I actually asked him. That's crazy. You could be in them folk business like that. They working hard to get in that joint.
How about other one?
Oh, got him. Oh, I got an alarm on it too.
You get it in neutral?
See, that's what I was thinking. They're gonna put it in neutral, and they need to turn it. Oh, they up out of there.
Damn.
Right. That's wild, man. That is wild right there, man. I swear, I don't wish that on anybody. Like, getting your car repo gotta be like one of the worst feelings in the world, especially when you drive to like a store and they just come take your car like that. That's crazy.
You gonna go to jail, sir?
Uh-oh, here we go. Somebody else trying to tear their car up.
Hey, come on, bro.
Get off my car!
No, it's already got it for a repo, bro. Already got it for a repo, G.
Why did they tell me?
The police is on the way right now.
That's crazy. And like, he literally just sitting in the car like they ain't gonna take it. I don't think he can take it. I know a lot of you guys been leaving it in the comments saying that they can't tow the car when somebody's inside. That's probably why the police is on the way. But man, once it's to this point, man, you might as well just let them take it. You can get it back. All you're doing is creating more issues for yourself. And you're about to ruin the car some more. So even if you can get the car back, if you drive off the tow truck, now you got to put the car in the shop. And obviously you don't have any funds because you would have paid your car note. So now you just got a car you can't use. So they still gonna repo it. Crazy.
Hey, that's my cousin's car. Put that car down, man.
I like that matter, man. Those folks try to get the car for the bank, man. That's his cousin's car. That's crazy. Those people don't care about
my cousin's car. That's my cousin's car, bro. How much they owe?
Oh, get out my face.
What you mean?
Right.
You want me to pay it?
My cousin's car. Oh, that's on. He's super dragging that joint. Oh man. They don't even care. That's crazy.
Man, they dragging it.
Now, I ain't know you can do that. Now he about to damage the car. You're probably gonna tow it to a different area and then get in it and put it in neutral. I guarantee you that's what you're gonna do. You got that front wheel locked. Don't necessarily because the car can't even pay it.
Somebody gonna be mad when they come out.
No, he was talking about somebody. Not that it was your cousin.
Man, ain't the word.
I tried to help him out. I said, that's my cousin's car. He said, get away from me, man.
I knew he was lying. That was your cousin.
I was trying to help him out, man.
Hey, you don't waste no time, boy. It's quick, boy.
So that's how they do it. They drag the tires like that?
One time, me and my partners, man, we stood out here, and one repo guy snatched up 3 cars and listed that just like that.
That's wild.
Oh, now he finna grab it from the front.
Yeah.
We had a roll.
From the front, yeah. He just had to get it out of that spot.
I was trying to help him out, trying to stall him. Maybe they'll come out. So I wonder if you come out and you catch them, can you pay them?
Nah, you got.
Well, I sure hate that for somebody.
No, because
oh, look, wait a minute, look.
Oh, they try to jump in that zone.
Oh, wow.
Oh, they. Come on, zoom in, Slim. Terrible cameraman.
Wow.
Oh, they got away.
You didn't get me today. Wow, all that work he did to get him, that's crazy.
That's right, it is crazy.
That what he give against small me.
So that was a lucky outcome right there, man. Normally they don't get a chance to get in and pull off. That's crazy. That's the first time I've ever seen it like that. That's pretty wild. Again, link in the description, man. If y'all about to buy a car, you know somebody who's getting ready to buy a car, download my checklist, guys. It'll help you out, save you some money, refresh your mind on some questions to ask the dealer, some things to think about. New to the channel, hit the like button, subscribe. Appreciate y'all watching. I see y'all on the next one. Peace.